Cerba Research. We provide sampling and diagnostic kits for Phase 2 and 3 clinical trials and customised gene therapy projects. We deliver these kits for clients in the pharmaceutical, biotechnology and medical device industries globally. In the world of diagnostic kit production, time is money. Every minute spent on manual labour is a minute lost to inefficiency. Cerba Research have implemented a pioneering semi-automated system which has greatly increased our kit building capacity. The automatic conveyor belt streamlines the production process, reducing the need for manual labour and increasing production efficiency. Automated quality control is performed using RFID labels on essential components, alongside readable barcodes for compliance. The labels also have a readable barcode. Therefore, our kits are 100% compliant with industry requirements. As each kit moves down the line, it passes through a series of stations, each of which performs a specific task, ensuring accuracy and eliminating human mistakes. And the best part? The system can work around the clock, ensuring that our production line never slows down. Our kit building line is ready to produce medical and sampling kits fast, safely and reliably. Packing and labelling are also included. Contact us to learn more about how we can meet your specific kit's needs. The future is now.